For the introduction, sustainability is a broad concept with numerous definitions. To many, it might be as simple as effectively utilizing and reusing resources. It is defined by the United Nations World Commission on Environment and Development as development that meets current demands without jeopardizing future generations' ability to satisfy their own needs. The problem with many of these definitions is that they leave out crucial part of sustainability, such as the three pillars of sustainability. Applied sustainability is fundamentally sustainable engineering, which involves using natural laws and physical resources to develop and execute material, structure, machineries, device system, and process that meet human needs while also maintaining the environment in perpetuity. Applied sustainability encompass work in engineering, legislation, and education, as well as any other ways required to preserve the earth for our children. According to a recent study, open sources principle can be utilized to speed up the deployment of sustainable technologies like open source appropriate technologies. For the objective, the purpose of this study is: number 1, identify the application of sustainability approach and construction management in a real practice. Number 2, identify the number of sustainability strategies that you propose to apply to buildings. And number 3 is identify applicability of each proposed sustainability strategy.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Azradia binti Razak. My matric number is DF190007 and my part is the application of sustainable approach and construction management in Malaysia. In Malaysia, some sustainable projects are not being put or have already been complete. Project Tanah Rimba is in Janda Baik, Pahang is one example. Tanah Rimba is a sustainable housing project that combines man-made and natural elements in an intriguing concept of ecologically sensitive community development, as well as introducing the globe of Malaysian Highlands ecotourism potential. Tanah Rimba described the project as in the forefront of the green movement in construction. And then Putrajaya and Cyberjaya are developing the town and country planning department, establish physical planning guidelines to ensure the sustainable development of areas such as island, open space, housing, retention ponds, solid waste disposal areas, and tree conservation. Earlier this year, the government released the National Green Technology Policy to provide guidelines on how to manage a sustainable environment. This followed the government's earlier green policy. In order to realize this goal, the building industry is being argued to shift away from traditional wet construction process and toward technologies that are more environmentally friendly, energy efficient, and produce less waste. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Sustainable strategy. Working sustainable entails addressing the requirement of a growing population while simultaneously preserving the environment over time. Our project includes a few sustainable building construction ideas. First, indoor environment quality. Indoor environment quality refers to the condition inside a structure such as air quality, lighting, thermal condition, ergonomy, and their influence on inhabitant or resident. Better indoor environment quality can improve inhabitant life, improve the market worth of a structure, and reduce liability for properties owner. Second, water efficiency. Water efficiency is defined as the conservation of fresh water in the reduction of overall water usage and the limitation of wastewater. It also emphasizes the adoption of improved methods and technologies that deliver a similar or better quality of life by using less water. Collecting rainwater is one way to ensure water efficiency. Energy efficiency. The energy efficiency of a building refers to how closely its energy consumption per square meter of floor area correspond to established energy consumption benchmark for that type of building under certain climate circumstances. Using natural light to maximize the use of daylight in building, for example, not only save energy but also create an attractive environment that improve the resident well-being. The provision of effective daylight in building can be measured using average daylight factor and ensuring that residents have a view of the sky. Next, material and resources. They must be long-lasting, reusable or recyclable, contain recyclable material and be obtained from the construction area. To establish a sustainable structure, we must abandon our long-standing practice of squandering natural resources. Lastly, sustainable site planning and management. The location of structure is just as important as its construction. Its connection to the local bioregion, watershed and community will help determine how a project might contribute to a more sustainable environment. Site selection and design are critical for reducing greenhouse gas emission and supporting projects in responding to the effect of climate change. The place cannot be in a disaster area. At all costs, floodplains must be avoided. Buffer or undistributed soil must be provided if the construction is to be built near water.
As the conclusion, adapting sustainable practice is not just helpful for the environment but is a great reason to do so. Adapting eco-friendly construction method has numerous advantages including promoting healthy living, reducing waste and boosting the economy. These advantages are why we should use a sustainable strategy in construction management. Sustainability is vital for many reasons, including bettering one's quality of life and protecting the environment. We need clean air, natural resources and non-toxic environment to have flourishing and healthy communities. And the construction industry can lead the way in greener initiative. That is why we need to choose a proper sustainability strategy to make sure all the challenges can be solved. So that's all from us. Thank you for watching.